Hello guys, a very good evening. Thank you so much for giving your special love for us in our last video. Thank you so much. So let's enjoy this very special episode of conversation practice. Do you like English language?
Yes, I do.
Well, do you speak English?
Yes, obviously, now I am speaking English.
Okay. Who helps you to study English?
My mother helps me to study or to learn English.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's essential for my work.
When did you start learning English?
Since childhood, I started learning English.
Okay. Can you speak any other languages?
Obviously, I can speak 3 languages, English, Bengali and Hindi.
Do you practice English regularly?
Obviously, because practice makes you perfect.
Apart from your mother, who helps you to study English?
Apart from my mother, my teacher, you can say my English teacher.
He
she
helps
was-
you to learn
Yes.
English. Okay, very good. Okay. What is English to you?
Well, English is a common stream in which we are the fishes and
Yes,
we can't live.
absolutely.
if
English
taken
is a
out.
common stream.
Yes.
We are the fishes swimming in it. Just like it's not belong to art stream, science stream
stream.
or commerce stream.
Yes.
It's a common stream.
Yes.
So English is a common stream and we are like fishes. We are
Yes.
swimming in it, right?
Yes.
And apart from this, let me inform you, English is international language, court language,
Corporate
language, business language,
Yes.
language of the globe.
It's an international language.
Right, as I have already told you. When is your birthday?
Well, my birthday is on February 20.
Okay. For which company or organization do you work?
I work for Global Spoken English World.
Very good.
It's a Spoken English World.
Okay.
Yes.
And may I know the location?
Yes, it is situated at the heart of Nimdori.
Very good. How do you get to work?
I go to work by bus.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Swati.
When do you go to bed at night?
Usually I go to bed at night at 10:30 p.m.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor? From Hindi film, obviously.
Yes, I like to watch Hindi movies. So from Hindi or Bollywood, my favorite actor is Kartik Aaryan.
Okay. And let me inform you, or rather let me tell you, I love Shahrukh Mayur Khan. Okay. Anyway, who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is, I think it changes time to time.
Is it you love any South Indian actress like Rasmika Mandana,
No, Sai Pallavi.
Sai Pallavi?
Yes.
And apart from this, from Bollywood,
From Bollywood, you can say Kriti.
Kriti. Okay. And I like, obviously Deepa Bharti.
But she's now dead.
Yeah, she is now no more, but she was a fantastic actress.
Yes, I heard.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen songs.
You love to listen to songs.
Yes.
Okay. And where did you grow up?
Yes, I grew up at Purbo Mednipur, West Bengal.
Okay. Very good. And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen to music.
Oh, as you have already told me.
Yes.
All right. Very good. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arijit Singh.
Okay. Any song now you can remember?
Yes, it's Carriot.
Okay. And have you ever traveled by plane?
No, unfortunately, I never
You have
traveled.
never traveled by plane. All right. Usually, what time do you have lunch?
Usually at around 12:30.
12:30.
Yes.
Okay. Last, vacation. Where did you go?
On my last vacation, I went to Kolkata Nico Park.
Kolkata Nico Park.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What did you eat for your breakfast today?
Today in my breakfast, I had tea and biscuits.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No,
You don't have allergy?
no.
Okay. What is your birthday month?
Well, it's February
And the date?
20.
Okay. On your last birthday, where did you go?
I went to a restaurant with my friends and family.
Okay. Where would you like to go on your dream vacation?
Well, I would like to visit Maldives.
Oh,
For-
Maldives,
Yes.
dreamland.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Do you like to eat grapes?
Yes, but not too much.
Not too much. So, what's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am answering your questions.
Yeah, that means you are conversing with me.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Why do you love your hometown so much?
Because it is peaceful and beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. And this is the place where you first saw the light of this
Yes,
world.
yes.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Okay. Means you are a dress lover.
Yes.
Okay. What usually you do on your happy birthday?
Usually,
You enjoy?
I enjoy a birthday party with my parents.
Okay. What's your favorite type of weather?
Well, it's cloudy. I love
Okay.
cloudy weather.
When you feel stressed, what do you usually do?
Usually, I listen to music.
Okay. So, do you love sad songs, romantic songs, rock songs, or folk songs?
All types of songs I love.
All types of songs. But what's your favorite genre?
Yes, it's a melody.
Melody. Okay. How many books do you have at home? Approx
Approx around 200 books. I
200
have.
books.
Yes.
Okay. Well, do you love watching cartoons?
Obviously, I love to watch Gopal Bhatt, Mr. Bean, Tom and Jerry.
Okay, very good. Okay. And what's your favorite cartoon character?
It's Gopal Bhatt.
Gopal Bhatt. Do you like to take photos?
Obviously, I love to take selfies.
Selfies. That means you are a selfie lover.
Yes.
Okay. How many rooms are there in your house?
In my home, there are maybe 13 rooms, 13 or 14.
So, may I ask you, according to you, what is home? We usually say home is a nest of love.
Yes.
Some people, they say that sweet home,
Yes,
it is
yes.
my home or our home. So, what do you say?
I actually told you that it is peaceful and beautiful.
So, to you,
Yes.
home is a land of joy.
Yes.
It's a land of peace.
Peace.
A
Actually.
heavenly paradise, you can say
Yes.
also. Okay. What's your favorite board game?
Well, it's Ludo.
Ludo. And what's your favorite TV serial?
TV serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Why?
Because it's a comedy show.
And you love comedy shows.
Yes. Obviously.
So, among the comedy shows, whom you love the most?
I love especially
Any one person?
yes, Jethalal. There is a comedy person. He's
Okay.
he's the
comedy
main
character.
He's
Okay.
the main character.
What is his name?
Jethalal.
Jeta. Do you like go fishing?
Obviously,
So
I love to catch fishes.
you love to catch fishes by the fishing rope.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, very good. Okay. Have you ever gone to a long trip?
No.
Never.
Mm.
Okay, alright. Have you ever ridden a horse?
Obviously, at Digha Sea Beach, I just
Enjoyed horse riding?
Yes.
Okay, very good. What do you do for fun?
It's for fun. I love to play with my parents and
You
friends.
love to play with your parents and friends.
Friends.
Do you love summer or winter season?
I prefer summer.
Summer.
Yes.
Okay. What do you usually drink in the morning?
Usually, I take tea or coffee.
Okay. What kind of book do you like to read or write?
Well, it's mystery books.
Mystery books. You are a mystery lover.
Yes.
Okay, very good. And what's your favorite car?
It's Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Very good. What's your favorite type of flower?
Well, it's rose.
Rose.
Yes.
It's a symbol of love.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, very good. Okay, do you like tattoo?
No, I don't like it.
Have you ever gone to sea beach? You have told that, well, you went for Digha.
Yes,
So
yes.
then, how many times?
Just 2 or 3 times.
2 or 3 times you have
Visited
enjoyed
Digha.
Digha.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What's your favorite thing to do during rainy season?
Well, I like to eat hodgepodge, I mean khichuri with hilsha, ilis.
Hilsa fish
Yes.
means ilish.
Ilish.
Okay. And how do you spare your time during rainy days?
I just listen to music.
You just love to listen to music.
Yes.
Do you play game like Ludo? Any indoor game like Ludo, chess?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times in a week.
3 times in a week. Very good. এই ছিল আজকের practice session for conversation. Hopefully it was a pretty good session for all of you guys, and I think if you keep on going through these kind of episodes, obviously one day you can be a very good speaker of English. So keep chasing your hopes, keep chasing your dreams. Dreams do come true. All the best.